Hi guys, I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys that sea salt spray. I had mentioned that in a previous video and I'm out. So it's the perfect time to get on here and make it right along or with you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I know if I see it done versus just read about it, it makes my life a little more simple. So that's why I am doing these and hoping you guys are learning natural ways and cheaper, more effective ways that you guys can be using your essential oils at home. So today we're going to make sea salt spray. Let me first tell you why and how you would use sea salt spray if you've never used it before. Much like if you didn't see a video of mine, it's we made the dry shampoo. Go to my Facebook oils and lipstick videos and you guys can check out the dry shampoo. So much like we would use the dry shampoo on our scalp, we're going to use that dry shampoo on our scalp to absorb oils, if we've been sweating, also to give our hair texture. I hate when my hair's really clean and it doesn't do or style like I want it. So even for this braid today, I put a little bit of dry powder on it for that texture, right? It's gonna hold it, it's gonna make it easier to grab, and it's gonna last longer. So same reason we would do the dry shampoo on our scalp, we would do sea salt spray on our ends of our hair. So if we wanna, that really clean hair that doesn't wanna curl, you can add a little bit of sea salt spray to the mids and end of your hair. Also, another reason I would use this is, like for today, the reason I'm going to use it is I had my hair in a braid. It's kind of a mess right now, but I had my hair in a braid yesterday and I just want to capture some of this texture that I have in my hair. So, and then if I want, I can go back with like a small wand and curl a few pieces and then brush them out with a soft brush, and it's going to really give me that beachy light waves that I'm trying to achieve today. So, and then third reason you guys would use this is great for the summer. This is great to spray on your hair before you go anywhere with added chemicals, right? So water parks, pools, especially your public pools, you name it. But even the beach, the river, wherever you're headed, you could take this with you and spray it on liberally, like a lot, on your hair before you were going to jump in the water. The coconut oil in this is not only going to help protect your hair from any damage that those chemicals, it'll help it if you have light hair like mine. You have to be wary of it changing colors or getting really yellowy or orange, so this is going to help protect it for that reason as well. So different reason you would use it. Also, if you have any kind of natural texture in your hair, I know my best friend is super lucky and she gets out of the pool and she has like this natural texture as it dries. I'm not so lucky, but if I spray this on my hair beforehand and then get out and let it dry, it's gonna give me some of that added texture. So it's gonna enhance any texture that you already have in your hair. So as you get out and it dries, you have a little bit of something to play with, or even if you toss it on top of your head, you're gonna have some of that added texture for you. Those are the ways we would, or reasons why. Easy to use, spray it liberally. If you're using it to curl, obviously, you know, spray it in sections. So that's it, super simple. I've been using a small bottle like this, and for the summer, I will go through this way too quick, especially when I have my extensions in. This isn't gonna do much. So today, I'm like more than doubling it and using a big bottle. If you guys have a smaller bottle, like a 4 ounce, just, or 8 ounce, you can just half this recipe or even cut it into thirds if you don't wanna make a big one. So I'm going to make a big jar. So all you guys need is sea salt. Make sure your ingredients are, literally my ingredients in here are sea salt, nothing else, right? No iodine, just a pure, I like it where it's a little more coarse, not the chunky sea salt. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of that in the jar, and then 2 cups of hot water. This is gonna help melt, or dissolve, not melt the salt. And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. I usually just take the pump and pump it right in there, but today I measured it out for you guys. So 4 tablespoons of the fractionated coconut oil. This is really going to help, like I said, with that shine and protection. And then lemon juice, you guys can use, I use Santa Cruz organic lemon juice. You guys can use fresh squeezed lemons, 4 tablespoons of that. And then 4 to 6 drops of lemon essential oil. And that's it. I'm gonna put it all in this bottle and I'm gonna shake it really well and have sea salt spray. It's really amazing. And then also if you guys want, I don't know if you remember, I'm a little worried about mixing this all on here because I'm probably gonna make a complete mess, but I kind of wanted to show you guys how it worked. I'll just post a picture tomorrow and show you guys, or today, and show you guys how well it worked. Because the fun part is getting the salt right in this bottle perfectly. And sorry, I'm still a little nasally, guys, from all my stuffiness I had going on. I'm taking care of that as well today. But anyways, I was gonna say, if you ever used or heard of Sun-In, when, I know it was big when I was in middle school, I think. I don't recommend Sun-In, but what I would recommend doing is adding, in a big bottle like this, you could do 20 to 25 drops of lemon essential oil versus the 4 to 6. And this is going to help, you know, bring out any natural highlights you have, or even if you're going to be in the sun, it's going to help add some natural highlights. So much like that Sun-In stuff would work, but your hairdresser won't kill you when you go and try to get your hair colored, and because you didn't add any natural or any synthetic chemicals in there. Therefore, it's not going to be hard to process your hair. The lemon essential oil will not make it difficult for your hairdresser. So they will love you for using this recipe versus some of the other ones on the market. So I hope you guys learned something today. Let me know if you've ever used this. Comment below if you have questions, if you're gonna try it. Let me know your thoughts and comments. I really like hearing from you guys and knowing if these videos are worth doing. Also, as always, if there's somebody you know that would love this recipe, tag them, or feel free to share these recipes or these videos on your feed. I absolutely love teaching others how simple it is. Obviously, beauty hair was my industry, so I found a lot of natural ways to, instead of buying hair products, right? And we know what's in them versus kind of it being a mystery. So I absolutely love this in the dry shampoo, and I will probably next time kind of go over all the products I use in my hair, 100% natural, and my hair has never been better or stronger or lightened when I need it to lighten at the salon, you name it. So please share this and show love if you guys enjoy these videos. Have a good one. Happy Thursday.